Hello, we're at Wimpole and we're going to have a look round the gardens.
Yes, we're going to have a look round the walled gardens and then a walk up to the folly. Should be good.
The 4.5-acre walled garden at Wimpole was made of red handmade bricks in the 1790s by Philip Yorke, the 3rd Earl of Hardwicke. The walls were heated during spring frosts to keep the peach blossom warm and guarantee the harvest.
When the National Trust took over in 1976, the garden was grassed over and many features had disappeared, and so an extensive restoration project began in the early 1990s.
Today the garden is rich with produce surrounded by colourful borders. Following organic principles, the walled garden produces masses of crops, and over 20% of the produce is donated to the Harston Hub Food Bank, with the rest used in the old Rectory Cafe or for sale to visitors.
Wimpole Estate has 600 acres of parkland to explore, which includes a Gothic Tower, designed to look like a medieval ruin, created under the supervision of the great landscape designer Lancelot Capability Brown between 1768 and 1772.
Capability Brown's designs of the landscape also features 2 17th century fish ponds, which were made into serpentine lakes, with a 3rd new lake to the east. From higher ground, the lakes appear to flow through the park like a meandering river. Oh, we picked a good day. It's not like summer today.
It certainly has. It's quite warm now, isn't it? Well, thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.